Hello, everybody. This is Benjamin Dees, and as you can see, today I had a big swarm coming into one of my empty hives at home, and there go the bees. They are flooding into the hive. Very, very big swarm. There you go. That is the swarm I was talking about. Very, very big one. I had a cotton ball with some drops of lemongrass in it, and I intentionally placed the hive at the top of that building. Yeah, I wasn't really expecting the bees to come there, but I just placed them there and see. Maybe I will catch a swarm. I was just hoping. And luckily for me, I had a swarm. I guess it was a week. It took a week before these bees came into the empty hive. It is a top bar hive. It's a top bar hive. Wow, what a big swarm! Very, very beautiful one. Yeah, and as you can see, the bees are all moving into the entrance. They are moving into the entrance. They are moving gradually. But eventually, they will all move into the hive. And there you go. Very beautiful big swarm. Very, very, very beautiful. Please, if you like these videos, subscribe, share, and comment. I'll be uploading frequently, so enjoy.